wanted to document a problem that I had today. For my own record, I created a scenario that resembles the problem I was dealing with, and I will explain how I solved it. So let's imagine there are some food items in a list, and the objective is to transform this list into a map, and the value of the map will be the category and the total price of all the items of that category. So let's say for veg it would be 20, and for meat it would be 12. So initially, when I was tackling this, I wanted to go fully functional. I don't like to have a mutable state. I couldn't, it wasn't allowed to have this mutable state. So I went like this, and I went right away with the group by function, and I grouped by category, and then I took the entries, and I thought, okay, let's use a map, because the map operation in Java is what I would use, but I had a surprise. So in Kotlin, I was thinking, okay, so I'm gonna return a pair of, let's say, the key, and then the value, but this time this value is not just the value, because this value is a list, and we needed to reduce it into to the total amount, to the total price. So what I did was to just map it, and again I did map it to price, but and at the end I would just do a sum operation. So I was a bit puzzled for some time as to why this doesn't work, and so as we see, what this would return us is a list of pair of a string and double, but what we require is just the map of a string and double. So I was thinking, how could I solve this? And I tried different things, and the thing is, I discovered in the API in Kotlin something that I think we don't have in Java, and which is this function associate. And when I tried associate, it showed me that it does return me a map, and this is kind of like is exactly what I needed. So yeah, I just wanted to document this, and the test passed right away. So I can solve this problem like this without any for loops, with any mutable state, with any kind of problems. The rabbit hole in which I fell was dealing with map, and then when I was working with the map, I was expanding the brackets, and I was trying to create manually an entity, and I was using the return keyword, but the return keyword is not allowed from within the lambdas by default in Kotlin, and it was getting really complicated and very twisted, the code, and but yeah, luckily I found this by looking into what else, what other functions I can find in the API for entries, and that was it. That's it. So this, I'm gonna upload it to the channel just for the record.